Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 2-pack of leather conditioning lotion for your leather surfaces. This would work great for your car, or if you're like me and you've got shoes, or maybe you've got a purse or any other kind of leather jacket that you're wanting to help condition. Now this is not a cleaner, this just helps condition and kind of maintain that moisture and kind of take care of your product, but it is nice that it's a 2-pack, and they do provide you with a couple of applicators, which is great, and then 2 separate conditioner bottles here, which are individually sealed, which I do like. So that way they actually come is a nice sealed like that, so it's going to stay in there and stay nice with that leather conditioning lotion. I've gone ahead and opened this one up just so that we can give her a try on my leather shoes here. This is nice. This has got a nice sponge finger strap there. We're going to simply put some of this on here. And this sponge that is on this is a non-greasy and has a really pleasant smell to it as well. Sometimes you get some of these smells that are really overpowering. This has a very nice smell to it, which is really great. We're just going to go ahead and put this on there and let this soak in. And I mean, I could tell already the amount of moisture and conditioning that this is compared to the other one there is absolutely incredible. I would much rather wear this pair of shoes. It makes these look old and disgusting. So this is really going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one because I don't want to have one nasty looking shoe and one really nice looking shoe, and then I'll buff them off. But man, that's making a difference. So this is great, guys. I thank you guys for sending this. This is a fantastic way to condition any type of leather product. It doesn't appear to be staining or discoloring anything, just making it all nice and rich like it was when I bought them brand new. This would work great for pretty much any leather appliance. So thank you guys for sending it.